The sweet, simple things in life have become the mantra for business success and happiness. At MB Sugars and Pharmaceuticals, it helps us bring smiles to our faces and yours. MBS PPL was founded with a vision to develop, innovate, and be the #1 import substitute company for quality excipients. The story of MB is a story of three brothers, Vijaykumar, Dinesh Kumar, and Anil Lodha, who together carried forward the torch of their father, late Shri Bhagchandji Lodha. MB Group's 3 decades-long journey began in 1991, when it moved from being a trading company to a manufacturing one, when it made candy sugar, or Mishri, as it's popularly called in India. Every 6 months, MB doubled its capacity and soon became largest manufacturer of candy sugar. In 1997, second manufacturing plant was launched for Sucrose, or pharma-grade sugar. As the market demand increased, MB Pharma's plant witnessed a turning point when it doubled its capacity with a drug license. Now, MB is the only Indian company to have US GMF for sucrose along with CFDA and TGA. In fact, MB was a nickname to sucrose solution provider in the world of sucrose. Over the years, numerous other innovative products were launched. MB's diverse range of pharma products is now used in tablets, capsules, sachets, syrups, dry syrups. In 2016, plant of Manitap was set up for spray-dried and fine-grade mannitol, the first in Asia with a WHO GMP standard. Whereas in 2017, we immediately started a manufacturing plant of sugar spheres, and today MB Sugar has become the 5th largest producer of sugar spheres. In 2022, a new plant of Manitap was set up to upgrade the production capacity by 6 times. The MB Group forayed into the nutraceutical market when it manufactured import substitute products like aqueous shellac under the brand name Esco and fluidized starch under brand name Flow Starch. Maintaining the pharma quality controls, MB started a consumer product division to manufacture sugar sachets, sugar cubes, and many more to fill the gaps in food industry for quality sucrose and allied products. Later, with its visionary acumen, MB captured the pulse of the burgeoning bakery industry by creating several products that enhance the quality and ease of bakery production. The MB Apple Sugar Sachets red logo has become the most recognized ones today. With ever-growing product portfolio in sugar specialties, today it has over 25 products in its basket. The most recent and popular addition for the diabetic and health conscious is a natural sweetener that can be bought over the counter. The MB Care division is our step into the retail sector with many more products in the pipeline. Our stringent processes have earned us drug license, US DMF, CFDA, TGA, and food certifications like FSSC 22000, Halal, Kosher. With the use of high-tech machinery sourced from Europe, fully automated processes, WHO GMP compliant manufacturing standards, and skilled human resources, MB products are now exported to 30+ countries. We have an on-site effluent treatment plant and have also subscribed to a Go Green initiative by the installation of 850 kilowatts of solar energy. We hire locally and equip the rural Malegaon populace with the necessary domain knowledge, making them competent and socially mobile. Our goal to build a society of healthy individuals and manufacture diverse range of products with highest international standards. Our company has won many illustrious awards. Our CSR activities in the field of healthcare and education are carried under Bhagyam Foundation. With a smile on our face and yours, we are sure MB Sugars and Pharmaceuticals Private Limited is on the path to become a global leader. Come, be a part of our sweet smiling journey.